NA.
One of the most important things about the 7 habits of highly effective people, which we talked about in a previous video, isn't one of the habits. It's a simple technique called the decision matrix. Write a 2x2 matrix on a blank sheet of paper, where one side of the matrix says, urgent, yes and no, and the other side of the matrix says, important, yes and no. Then, write all the tasks for the week. Let's think of each quadrant. 1. Urgent important. These are the most time-sensitive and crucial tasks that must be completed carefully and quickly, even including crises as well as essential meetings and non-negotiable deadlines. We never have to worry about the urgent important tasks because with this method we always take care of them first. 2. Not urgent, important. These are the things that matter in the long term, but won't have effects in the short term. They are useful tasks but are safer to delay completing. Building relationships with clients, learning about a new but important field of your business, and preparing for future problems could fit in this category. Do some of these every day and every week to make sure they don't become urgent. 3. Urgent, not important. These tasks fill our time every day, but it is necessary to consider if they are really worth their time. These unnecessary phone calls and meetings can lead to burning out or even project failure over time. Most of us don't realize how much of this stuff we do every day. If we gain a new perspective on these events, we can gain the mental strength to put them in their place. 4. Not urgent, not important. These tasks are necessary but can come only when we feel we really need it, or when we have completed other tasks satisfactorily. Watching TV or checking social media. Procrastination habits fall into this category too, and things we do to avoid things we are worried about doing. We must consider the enjoyment we gain in relation to the time we spend on these tasks. If they aren't good value for our time, or have detrimental effects, we should drop them off the list entirely. You have to, as much as you can, eliminate the quadrant 4 tasks. You'll feel better for many reasons. A short time making this matrix every day or week will save you much more time overall. Also, it will help you remember which tasks are worrisome and which aren't. Always keep your long-term goals in mind and look at all your tasks with this perspective. If you do, you will have the mental clarity to decide what really matters.
NA.